Let me show you how to make this super cute Christmas tree topper, and you guys, it's a lot easier than you think. So you're going to need 4 different picks of your choice, guys. I always start out with a glittery green pine pick. That's always the back of all of my Christmas tree toppers. And for this particular one, we're also going to use 3 different types of red, white, and green ball picks. We're going to just layer all 4 picks right on top of one another, with the tallest in the back and the shortest in the front. Don't forget to fluff those out. Now that we've got them layered, let's go ahead and grab a 6-inch zip tie, and we're going to secure those picks together nice and tight, and then I'll use my small snips to trim away the excess bit of that zip tie. Okay, next up we need to trim those stems. I typically like them about a hand's length long, and I'm just using my large bolt cutters to trim the excess away. Now we're going to use our floral tape to secure those stems together. I'm just going to add a tiny dot of hot glue right underneath that zip tie to anchor down our floral tape and give it a good push, and then we'll start wrapping all the way down. Remember guys, you have to tug on your floral tape to release that stickiness. We're going to wrap all the way to the bottom and then add a little bit of hot glue again to make sure that that floral tape doesn't go anywhere. Our next step is to make a bow. I'm going to use my bow dabra just to hold our ribbons. But this is a simple bow. You could easily hold it in your hand as well. We're going to start out with this 2.5-inch wide ribbon. I'm going to make 20-inch tails. And for each layer, guys, we're going to be doing 2 loops and 2 tails. Those loops are about 5 inches. Next up is the 2.5-inch wide Christmas green monster. We're going to use our original ribbon as our guide. So those loops and tails are going to be the exact same size. And again, 2 loops and 2 tails. By the way, don't forget to save this video. Our third layer is going to be 1.5-inch wide red glitter ribbon. We're going to make those loops about 1/2 inch shorter than the previous loops, but the tails will be the same length. Now it's time for our last ribbon layer. This is a 1.5-inch wide Merry Christmas ribbon, 2 loops and 2 tails. Next, we'll grab a couple of standard length pipe cleaners. Make sure that the color matches the theme of your ribbon. We're just going to attach those 2 together by wrapping them around one another there towards the center, which is going to give us that longer set of pipe cleaners. And we're just going to wrap those pipe cleaners right around the center of our bow stack and give that several tight twists. Okay, let's get that added to our Christmas tree topper. I like to add a pea-sized amount of hot glue right underneath where our zip tie is. And then we'll flip our tree topper to the back and give those pipe cleaners several tight twists to keep it nice and secure. I'm going to take a couple of minutes to fluff out my ball picks. Here, I'm just taking those long ball picks and kind of curving them so they look like candy canes and giving everything else a good fluff. Next, I'm going to grab my scissors and we're going to angle trim the ends of all of our ribbon tails. And now I'm going to curl those ribbon tails, guys. That really gives a nice element of whimsy to your tree topper. This is just a cardboard insert from a leftover roll of 10-inch deco mesh, and you literally just wrap those ribbons right around that cardboard insert, and it gives them a super cute curl. That's why it's important to always use wired ribbon. And that is all there is to it, you guys. Look how stinking cute this is. Of course, this video is sped up, but in real time, it only takes about 15 minutes. You can find these in my Etsy shop. What do you think?